Good morning, everybody. Come on, Papa. Come on. Okay, guys. So today is Wednesday, which you guys know is my off day. Today is December the 23rd, so just just a few days away from Christmas. But today I booked a facial, you guys. It's my first professional facial. It's gonna be like a deep pore cleaning and dermaplaning. So I might be a couple of shades darker once she gets all this fluff off my face. But nonetheless, welcome back to another vlog. Kind of miss vlogging. So yeah, if you've been following me, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in into yet another video. And if you're new, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Starting this week I'm gonna try to do Wednesday to Wednesday. This Wednesday to next Wednesday. I'm off today, tomorrow, Friday. I only work 4 hours on Saturday, off on Sunday. And then, somewhat of a regular scheduled program next week, until we get to the 1st, and then we're off again. But, yeah, so today I have a facial, and then I have my eyebrows scheduled at 3. And yeah, hopefully she lets me film. I haven't asked. I'm gonna ask when I get there. Hopefully it's a yes. I think it'll be great. Great content for my channel for sure. And you guys can kind of see the progress of my skin. Don't worry about my nails. I already have an appointment for that. But the dark spots and stuff, just breaking out. Dark circles. Just want to see what I can do to overall improve the health of my skin. But I already fed the pup. I actually did put him in the kennel the last time I left just because he be chewing up my ornaments. He doesn't use the bathroom outside like he normally does when I am here. And he was just he chews up my carpet. I can't trust him to not be in the kennel. So I already fed him his breakfast, which he's being stubborn about eating. But he needs to eat because once I leave, he's going in this kennel until I get back. But hopefully, again, she lets me film the whole facial. So if so, you guys will see that. But if not, then I will definitely check in with you guys after my facial. And you can see my skin and how glowy I'll be, hopefully. Alright, bye, y'all. Okay, you guys, so turns out the fucking person who I was supposed to get my facial from had the times messed up, so that's not happening today. So that's fucking highly irritating. And also my tire blew out when I was on my way back home, so there's a fucking donut on my car now. And I'm at Walmart because I'm getting 4 new tires. So instead of spending my day getting fucking pampered, I'm spending my day getting my fucking car fixed again. It's so irritating. I'm so irritated, you guys. So I'm gonna see you guys later. OMG, you guys. So I don't think that I showed you. I will insert the clip from my Snapchat if I didn't. But I'll show you the tire getting blown out, but I think I already told you guys that. I think I last saw you guys when I was dropping my car off at Walmart. Well, okay, so to get 4 new tires. So they didn't have 4 tires. They only had 3 tires because one of them had a factory defect. So now I still only have 3 tires and I still need a 4th one. So now I'm going to this other Walmart to get a 4th tire, and that Walmart had 9. Why didn't I just go to that Walmart from jump, bro? Why didn't y'all just send me to that Walmart from jump? Why didn't y'all tell me that y'all didn't have 4 tires so then I could have fucking went somewhere else, bro? But anyways, I digress. I'm on my way to get this fucking 4th tire now. I'm tired of this fucking tire light being on. They need to turn that the fuck off. That's for sure. But yeah, I'm doing that, and I have a brow appointment at 3, and then at that point, hopefully I can go home, because I know my puppy is what the fuck is going on? I already know. I know. I hope he hasn't, I won't even be mad at him if he's fucked up my Christmas tree and shit. I won't be mad at him, because, I've been gone, a long time. But he still has the fucking doggy door, so needs to not being annoying. But again, I digress. I won't be upset with him. But yeah, I'm gonna go get this 4th tire now, so bye. I am at my brow appointment now, you guys. I am burnt out. Got my 4th tire from the 2nd Walmart, so all my tires are new now. And I'm at my brow appointment a couple minutes early, so I'm just waiting for her to tell me she's ready for me to come inside. I really didn't feel like coming, but if I would have canceled this soon to my appointment, I would have been charged the fee, so I'm here. And I suppose it can be the little bit of pampering, you know, that I'll get today. But I'm kind of burnt. I just want to go home and chill and smoke. I need to feed my dog when I get there. You guys, my munchkin number 2 likes her backpack that I got her.
Hi.
Say hi, munchkin number 2.
I got this.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I'm glad. As soon as I saw it, I was like, munchkin number 2. Here goes my mom's black Christmas tree. I love it. It's like, it's hard to see it's black though.
It looks like green.
Yeah, it kind of does look like green.
It looks like
Some
green.
presents. It does look green. Look at Steelers pillows. You know we about it. Our boys gonna get it together, I hope. They played a little bingo. Candace won some dollars. Oh, here's my mommy's fish room. So new update. There are turtles in here. Let me try to find the turtles. Which ones are the turtles in?
I got turtles and fish.
Which ones are the turtles in? They're in this one? Okay.
And then that one is up there so you can't hardly see him.
There he goes.
And then when they go up there, you take them out. And then this is their food.
They're so cute, Brie.
Thank you. I got them for today.
There goes the other one, guys.
Oh, wait, did that
Here
one?
goes right here, and then the other one is right there.
Wait, how much turtles did I get?
There's 2.
No, wait, I got
There's
more.
one right here,
And then I got 2
and then
more
there's
down
one
there.
right here.
I got 2 more down there. Oh, so Auntie gave me 3 fish, I think. And then here's a little food here.
All right, close that up. So cute. You like it in here, Shar? It's so relaxing in this room, huh?
I guess.
With all the fish tanks and stuff. Merry Christmas, you guys. Oh, yay, we finally made it. I know so many people are happy to be like past this day. I have on my onesie I got as a Christmas present. My puppy got a couple of new toys. He's been playing with them. I'm about to get ready and get dressed to go over to my mom's house. So my brother has to work, so I kind of wanted to chill with him before he left. And then I want to see my little cousins, Candace and Brianna, like open up their presents and stuff. So I need to hurry and head over there because she said she's going to be there about like 10:45-ish, and it's definitely 10:30, and I definitely live like 30 minutes away. So I just wanted to come on here and say Merry Christmas to you guys. I was like running around a lot yesterday, so I didn't pull out my camera when I got to my mom's house last night, but stayed over there for a couple hours. We ate, gave my munchkin number 2 her gift and my mom her gift, and then I'm gonna go back over there today to watch them open up their presents and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up the pup, probably like a couple toys, and there's food at my mom's house, so he'll be fine. I'm just gonna pack up his bowls and a toy or 2 and be on our way. All right, guys. Merry Christmas. Love you.
Girl, you don't know how I love my. You should know how I love my little niggas. Look at him. He's like, where the food at? Come on, Candace. Let's get this party on the road. She did a good job on that, Darnell. We gotta get her some kind of art classes.
Ooh, it's man's right there.
You can put them where?
On my thing.
Mantle.
Ooh, with this. This is doggy.
Yes. So she put some things on her mantle up there.
Doggy.
Look at this little fucker.
Hey, cousin.
You're welcome.
Mignon.
I tried
So
those.
you
I was
get
like,
when we get your coffee table, we can put that on your coffee table.
Mignon.
Oh no, you got an ornament. You get a tray.
Like a little tray, yeah.
Yeah, look
Yeah,
at tray.
that's cute.
I like
I didn't get as many gifts as I would have wanted,
Layla,
guys. because-
Stop.
It
That's
ain't
not
all
yours.
about it ain't about that.
I know, but
That's not yours. Go get your book. Go get your.
spent the money on the couch. And
Layla,
It's
Drop it.
okay.
That's not yours.
More SpongeBob.
Let's see.
Oh, she got you. Hey, you that was long legged. She didn't get you no shorts. I guess she said yeah.
She needs some more.
SpongeBob.
She went in the store. Actually, I took her to the store and had her pick out what she liked. And then I waited when she was leaving and I went in and got it. 'Cause I wasn't about to be
would
doing
you?
it.
I could do that Wednesday. I just could pick you up and take her. So. Alright,
She don't care where she goes.
You got some
cool.
hot.
I'll let her.
She ain't no picky.
We can.
She definitely got some.
More SpongeBob.
That's cute.
There you go.
Her and Catherine and that's
Oh, Stanley, he gonna rip the dog's teeth.
Mom, he's a dog. He'd be
The way
okay.
he be chewing on rocks.
Mom, I be lifting him off the ground. And
Yeah,
shit.
but Darnell, oh,
He's
don't.
I be
okay.
doing it to him too.
But his teeth don't come out.
They haven't came out.
Your baby teeth. They
Yes.
don't come out eventually.
You need something for your feet so you can start going in the garage.
You know I bought you some flip flops.
Flip flops.
She wear flip flops everywhere though. Like she's just a typical white girl.
Look at Layla showing her teeth.
I know, right? Scooby Doo.
What you barking for?
Barking at Layla.
That's like a ball.
But you tell it. I know you can tell it. You can tell it to turn on the TV. You can program it. It'll turn on your TV. You tell it to turn on your lights. It'll turn on your lights.
It's a sweater. It's a sweater.
And I got it big.
Chicago.
Yes. It needs to be big.
Shar, stop.
I mean, you can watch a YouTube video on all type of shit you can do with it.
Yeah.
Though. I mean, it does all types of shit. Like,
I had one of them. I gave it away
yeah,
because I don't like this shit talking to me.
It's Snoopy.
But I want it though. I didn't buy it.
It's a Snoopy.
Yeah, some more stuff for your feet.
Shar.
Cause your feet are starting to
Stop
shoot.
it.
They starting to do one of these. You need to be in some shoes.
She got shrimp feet.
The other part of it is in there, in the bag. She confused.
Oh, it's little like.
Yes, because you don't like colors. So I just
Sure don't. She told me she's in the pastels.
and black.
That
So
is true. It's just
It's
It's
just dope.
faded.
Yeah, you right. It's faded. Hush.
Oh, I thought this was a sticker.
It's shy. Shy sneezing her hair going all over the place.
Thank you.
Look how Layla steals. You welcome.
Yep,
Thieving
that's-
dog.
Look at him.
Did my keys go?
Oh, Tina said Merry Christmas. I talked to her this morning.
Oh, Merry Christmas to you now.
Oh, so did Catherine too. She said, so there's that news going over there. I'm like, yeah, where else I'm gonna go? It's like you're gonna go to mom and dad's house.
She don't have no social media, huh?
No.
She has it, but
Yay!
she's
Now I
barely
don't have
on
to
it.
turn it on.
Yeah.
They don't want to.
She deactivates and activates, deactivates and activates.
Oh, it's like. Ooh, I love no.
Thank you, cousin. I really like this.
I thought you. I said she's a candle person.
Thank you.
I don't have no candles in mine. Where you going?
Shit, these would be perfect for those little,
That's for
the
you.
little candles.
You can get real ones.
Can't guess what.
Yep, but you get a little tray. Yeah.
Yay, paint.
Yeah, because we got some things for you to paint.
Yay.
That's pretty.
This one.
I don't know why I thought Brianna was gonna be here this morning and we were taking her like later.
He asked me if I want to keep it to 12. I'm like, nope.
He said,
Go ahead and take her.
what's that for? What the hell is it?
It's a Pokemon.
Thank you.
You can put it on the glove.
And it lights up. It's an anime.
Oh, you can put it on your thing?
And it lights up.
What is it, a
It's
Pokemon?
a Pokemon
It's a
character.
Pokemon ball?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Pokeball.
Yeah, it's a shame that I know what it is and she don't.
Isn't it like the ghost
Is
one?
that Pikachu?
That's
No. Which ghost? Isn't it one of the ghost ones?
Ghastly.
Well, I pulled up
Ghastly?
No,
anime.
Ghastly is what he turns into. I can't remember that.
It does something. Just
Haunt
It needs
yeah.
to like, it's like haunt something. I know it's
don't it got a plug? You plug it in.
Oh wait.
It look like batteries.
That ain't supposed to go in there?
Yeah, batteries.
Well, I got plenty of
I
batteries.
think it's a watch.
Oh, you gotta put it.
Why is that?
Cause you bought pushback.
Oh.
Look it, I told you.
Let's go.
Isn't that pretty? Look
It
at
goes like that,
Oh, wow.
it. And it changes colors.
That's cute. Dang. Like the whole one.
yeah. That's cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aww.
Aw, that's cute. Put that on my mantle.
You a spoiled dog. Spoiled puppy. He laid right on my phone. And you know you just. Layla's content. See it?
She got that thing. Oh, Wiggles came back up.
Yeah.
Come on. Eat.
Eat.
Yes.
How to draw anime? Oh yeah. Like she
Not like she don't know already.
There's different characters.
Maybe it'll
in
teach
there.
you a couple different things that you don't
Yeah,
know
like
already.
different eye, like actually.
Mm-hmm.
But she already had a piece of paper like different eyes, different things to draw.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, what's that? I didn't see that.
There's
The
some
white
pretty
box.
napkins in there.
Oh,
Gotta be right. What's wrong with it?
where's his present?
You got it.
Pot roaster.
Found that.
Fried ribs.
That's right.
Very moist.
Very moist.
Nice and creamy. You need to have good pants.
If they're bad, you just add water to them. If they're too watery, you just use water.
Is he trying to growl?
Who you trying to
What's that thing? That doggy.
Oh, that's the
It's a
dog.
Shiba Inu.
Oh,
It's a Shiba.
That's the covers
that's
you
the
wanted.
thing that's on the cover.
She wanted the covers, but the covers was too much back order, so
They
we
even
ordered
put
another
the-
one.
Butt on it.
Yeah, it got the bubble.
Wow, really put a butthole on it?
That's what they do in Japan. They put buttholes on everything.
They put more than buttholes in Japan.
Yeah, they very teeth.
They'll sing the thing with the hoo-ha and the coon dog and everything. Your other gifts will be here tomorrow and Monday.
It's not for you.
See, now you gotta put that. You talk about all the stuff that
I'm putting it
Brianna
on
got
my
her
bed.
I'm putting it
She
with.
got all her little kids lined up on
I'm
the wall.
putting it with my other favorite kids that I named a bunch from the anime that I have.
Now, what is that? Is that a dog?
Yes, it's a Shiba Inu.
I don't know what that was, but I asked her when she wanted to.
It's a Shiba Inu.
puppy. Okay, I gotta look at what that dog is.
They're like, you know, Jif Pong.
Who?
Wow.
Somebody's phone. Oh.
A Shiba
Jip.
Inu.
Did you take my lighter last night, mister?
No.
The sauce is.
I don't got nothing to smoke.
The sauce is.
It's like it's a,
Oh, you was roll up now?
Kalan made that beat. Ooh, Kalan made that beat. Kalan made that beat. Ooh, 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 Kalan made that beat.
it's Wednesday. It's December 30th. So you know, Wednesdays are my days off. I forgot to take you guys with me to my nail appointment, but you guys, hold on, let me see. You guys, she snapped. I don't know if you can see like the product right there, but she fucking snapped. I love them so much. But yeah, I forgot to take you guys with me, but I'll insert some clips that I took on my phone. But yeah, I stopped at Wendy's, got me a little 4 for $4, even though I never eat the fries. My friend Jordan, which you guys are very familiar with him, he's coming over to mount my TVs. So yeah, I'm excited. My little apartment is coming together, y'all. So as y'all know, I got my couch. Got my couch already. I don't know if you guys see that I like turned it around, because I think before I had like on that wall, but I turned it around to kind of separate the living room from the dining room area. So I actually like it. I think it looks way better. This TV actually already has a mount on it, so I just need him to find the stud and mount that motherfucker. And then for the TV in my bedroom, I got one of those studless mounts he told me to get. So that came in the mail today from Amazon. So he's gonna come mount the TV in my room with this one. So that'll be cool. Yeah, and then he's gonna mount the TV with the studless mount. So yeah. Kind of want to get rid of this, or maybe do something different with it. Maybe move it over and I could like put stuff on it to like be like in the background of when I do my sit down videos, like maybe some candles or some plants behind me. I think will be like really aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, then after he comes and does the whole TVs thing, oh you guys, my fucking tire, one of my brand new tires is flat, so he's gonna come after he mounts the TVs. He's gonna put my donut back on so I can go back up to the first Walmart that I went to and to switch out one of my tires so I can be mobile again. Like, I'm so irritated with this whole car stuff, you guys. Like, but I'm gonna not complain and just get it done. For in here, I think I kind of want to get like maybe a floating shelf thing to put like under, like a floating shelf thing to put underneath the TV once it's mounted. But I'm gonna see. I already picked out my end table, I believe, and then I want to get like an entryway table to be like on this wall, like underneath the mirrors, which I don't know if I'm gonna keep those there, but like I want like a entryway table right here. And then I'm gonna put like a table behind the couch to put like little knickknacks and stuff like that on. Now this wall, I think I'm gonna make like a picture wall and maybe put like my shelves on there. Like hang my shelves, but yeah. But yeah, you guys, like my little, like I said, my little home is coming together. I'm excited. Yeah. But I will probably check back in with you guys when Jordan gets here and probably let you guys watch him mount the TVs or whatnot so you guys can see that. And yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna eat right now and wait for Jordan to get here. So bye. Action. Okay guys, so I think I showed you my nails already. Went and got a pedi. white. Ooh, and look, you guys. My friend Jordan came through and mapped the TV. I wasn't here when he did it, or else I would have like vlogged this for you guys. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm so excited. He did such a good fucking job, you guys. Okay, and look at this one. Such a good job. I think I want to get like a floating shelf for in here for sure. I love it, you guys, coming together. When I get my end table and my entryway table and the little table that's gonna go behind the couch, it's all gonna come together. I promise y'all. Watch. But yeah, anywho, my cousins are on their way over. I'm going to take my munchkin number 1 to get her Christmas present for me, which is a little bit of shopping. So those are my noodles. They're done now. So I'm gonna eat and then do a little shopping with my family. And then I believe it is a poetic soul type of night. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to be ending this vlog pretty soon because like I started this last Wednesday, and you know, I knew that I was getting my nails and stuff done today, so I wanted to like, you know, incorporate that in this vlog, make it a little interesting. You know, got my couch put together, TV's mounted, boom. So yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna end it right here. I might check back in with you guys when I like get ready for the night and all that, and then end it at least a little bit cute. You know what I'm saying? No, but yeah, I'll check with you guys later. Bye. Okay, guys. So coming back on to end my vlog. Like I promised, I got ready, so I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so these shoes I got from, I want to say Forever 21, but it could have been Charlotte's. This bodysuit is from Naked Wardrobe, and this cardigan is from Fashion Nova. So yeah, different color shades of brown. I mean, I don't know what I'm going for, if I really like the shoes. I kind of wish I had more like cream colored shoes to go with this, but whatever. This is what I'm wearing. Let you guys see my makeup a little. Getting some. You guys know I'm simple. I haven't put on like my lipstick yet, but it's gonna be like a nude. That's it. So, and let me pick out the perfume that I'm gonna wear. I think I'm feeling, C. I think I'm gonna wear the C. I think I'm gonna wear the C tonight. My cousin Kim is coming to Poetic Soul tonight, so that'll be cool. She like barely gets out. And you know, I be in these streets. So after I took my little munchkin, I should have fucking checked in with you guys when they're here. But I pretty much took my munchkin number 1 to do her Christmas shopping. So we went to Ross, and I kind of just let her pick out some clothes or whatever. Well, she mostly picked t-shirts and sweaters, but it's her Christmas gift, so I told her to get what she wanted. I want her to get like pants and stuff too, but we didn't end up doing that. She doesn't really like jeans. Like, you know, jeans are so like uncomfortable, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I love that way. I love my perfumes. Okay, put this on. But yeah, you guys, I kind of wanted to come on here and, like I said, show you guys my little outfit for tonight, and then also end this vlog. So I will start editing it so I can post this. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, thank you for making it to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you. I'll check out you guys in my next vlog or next video, whatever I had to do. All right, bye guys.